There are two main things why online dealers stand out when buying gold: convenience and cost effectiveness. When you invest online, you get access to 24/7 trading and professional account management. An online dealer would be able to give you the ability to buy, sell, store, and request delivery of precious metals right from the comfort of your home, with just a few clicks on the keyboard or mouse. When you buy from online dealers, it's often a lot cheaper because they can offer lower premiums over the spot prices of gold and silver. One reason for this is that they spend less overhead than with a physical store. Another advantage is that if institutional investors also share on your trading platform, you may be able to ride on volume pricing. Now, as you browse for online dealers, always look for transparency. Do they display their prices clearly on the product pages? Do they list shipping and insurance fees? Do they give a description of their delivery process? Do they advise customers of the delivery time frame before you place your order? You should be able to find these and other important information on their websites. Now, let's discuss how you can choose a reputable online gold dealer. The internet is awash with hundreds of precious metals dealers ready to do business with you. But how do you know which one to pick? The best dealer for you will stand out after you do the following due diligence. They have a strong Trustpilot rating. You should choose one with plenty of experience in the industry. Check for repeat customers. Obviously, customers won't return if they get bad service or a negative experience. A word of caution though. If the website displays the Trustpilot logo, don't just assume that the logo is legit. Go to Trustpilot's website and search for the company. Remember, unscrupulous dealers can just copy or imitate any logo. They educate their customers. Do not fall for those who just want to make a quick and big sale. These are the ones who will only push for the most expensive products and discourage you from trying other less costly investments. For example, they would try to ram rare coins down your throat when you're interested in gold bars. A good rule is to follow this. Trust your gut. Remember, if a dealer is a bit off, he's not the only dealer around. There are hundreds of good dealers out there. In our case, we have committed to educating customers through our popular series, The Hidden Secrets of Money, through YouTube. They're big. Dealers who have built their business over the years are more reliable. They will normally have strong volumes and can offer you greater flexibility. Small dealers have some distinct disadvantages. They might have limited product selection and may be unable to fill a large order fast enough. Delivery time is also a good indicator. The bigger dealers would be able to ship within 2 to 4 days after your payment has cleared. The small dealers take longer. They have a buyback policy. There might come a time when you want to sell your gold, and what easier way than to do it through the dealer that sold them to you? Does the dealer have a buyback policy? If they don't have this kind of service available for you, then don't even bother dealing with them. You'd want your dealer to be around when you need to sell, and you want the assurance that you won't be left around waiting for a buyer in case you need one. Well, of course, there are a lot of gold dealers who would be willing to buy gold at any time, but you can never tell. A big plus with dealers that have a buyback policy is that they tend to give their buyers the best resale price. They will accept multiple forms of payment. There are many ways to make your payment, and your dealer should be able to accept any of them. From the traditional cash, like in your local shop, to checks and money orders. They should also accept bank transfers and credit cards, which are very convenient even if they sometimes come with additional fees. Many dealers now use PayPal, Bitcoin, and other digital currencies. Keep in mind, though, that those online dealers would still wait until they get the funds before they send you the merchandise. They have an online store. As soon as you've made a short list of the dealers you want to trade with, check if they have an online store service. Between a virtual store and a brick-and-mortar shop, you may find the online store more to your advantage. Dealing with them is faster and more convenient. You have access to it 24/7, and you can lock in your market price at the exact time you want to buy. Here's the kicker. Online stores' prices are generally cheaper than your local shop, even if you have to pay for shipping because their overhead is lower. If you're new to the game, get at least 3 dealers and make a comparison chart. Match them up side by side in terms of commission, credit card or bank transfer fees, shipping cost, handling fees, and insurance. After the cost-related items, go down to service, customer contact, ease of ordering, delivery time tracking, and buyback policies. You should put all of these items together when determining the best dealer for you. On the bottom line, here are the pros and cons of buying gold online. Pros: it's fairly easy to do, like you're just buying shoes or bags from an online retailer. You benefit from their low overhead cost, and you might even get a volume discount. You have 24/7 access to their store, customer service, and account management. Cons? You are at the mercy of the dealer when it comes to getting what you paid for. He may not deliver. Pay the extra cost in the form of shipping and insurance fees. Have to wait until your payment clears before they ship your order. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts as well as calculators and other financial tools. Are you considering physical gold investment? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get more free financial education videos.